This is the ProQuest eLibrary Science Online Database. You can find the database on the library's website under Databases. Just click on the database name and enter the username and password. The main tabs at the top of the page allow you to choose how you wish to use the database. Users can search, browse by topic, consult reference material, or find interactive pages. When you log onto the database, the first page you come to is the search area, which allows users to conduct a basic or advanced search with several options to limit the number and kind of search results. The first option you have is to search using natural language or Boolean operator. Choose the natural language radio button if you wish to search one word or phrase. For example, type in Mars and look at the results. If you wish to combine multiple words or concepts into one search, use the Boolean operator radio button. You can combine words using the word and, the word or the word not. When you combine search terms using the word and, the results will include every item that has both words. For example, if we want to find documents about rocks found on Mars, we would type Mars and rocks using the Boolean operator search. This search finds every document that has both words. Notice the number of results. Combining the search terms with the word or produces results that have either word. Again, notice the number of results. Using or produces more results because it searches for either of the words. Using the Boolean operator not will result in documents that include the first word but will exclude the second word. For example, if we want to find results on Mars but do not want any results about rocks on Mars, then we would search Mars not rocks. Notice again the number of results. These are the number of documents that contain the word Mars but do not contain the word rocks. The results of a search can come in different forms, from magazine articles to video clips. Under the search bar, you can see the different types of documents available. If you want to find all possible results on a search, leave all of the options checked. But if you want to find only one or two kinds of results, click on the type you want to find. For example, if you wanted to see news stories and pictures of Mars, you would type Mars in the search box and check only the news and pictures boxes for your search. The next area on the search screen is the Advanced Search Options area. This area allows you to get better results if you already know some of the information about what you are looking for. The first line allows you to search by topic. Clicking on this line takes you to the Topic tab. Here you can browse different topics and find specific areas that the database covers. Going back to the search screen, the next type of search limiter lets you pick the types of articles you wish to look at. If you want to see the business or health aspects of your topic, pick either one of those. If you want to find only scholarly articles on your topic, pick the last option. The next area is the date limiter. If you want to find documents from a particular time period, use this limiter. For example, if I want to find the latest newspaper articles on Mars, I type Mars in the search box, pick only news from the document type area, and choose articles from within the last month. The next advanced search option is document title. You would use this area to search only in the article's title. When you use this limiter, put your search term in this box and not the one at the top. The results of our search all have the word Mars in the title. If you want to choose articles at a particular reading level, you can use the next limiter. This will exclude documents from higher reading levels. If you are looking for a particular article and know what the name of the magazine, newspaper, or journal is, then you can enter that name or browse the name using the publication limiter. This is also helpful if you have a favorite publication and wish to only find articles from within that publication. If you want to look for newspaper and have the search results include older newspaper articles, click on the area that says Include newspapers older than 90 days in search. If you do not click this button, newspaper searches are automatically limited to more recent results. The final limiter available in the Advanced Search Options area is the Author Name limiter. This is helpful for finding articles by a particular author. For example, if you have found a good article by an author and wish to find more articles by the same author, you would use this area. Or, if you are looking for a particular article that you had read, but could only remember that author's name was Smith, and it was about Mars, then you could use this area to help find the article. Now, let's take a look at some of the results and see what we can do with those results. For this search, I only want to find scholarly articles that have Mars in the title written in the last 5 years. Let's look through the titles and find some interesting articles. Life on Mars looks good. Let's click on that and skim it. This article looks promising, so click on Add to My List and save it for later. Now click on Return to Search Results to look for more articles. You can also add articles to your list from the results view. Let's add a few more that look relevant. Now that we have a few articles in our list, let's take a look at our list to see what we can do with it. From this screen, you can print the list or email it to yourself. If you are done with these articles, you can also clear the list. But we want to use these articles, so what can we do with them? Click on one of them and take a look at the options. From the top, we can print the article, get a citation for the article, or email the article to ourselves. It's probably a good idea to do all of these things. Print it out and email it to yourself, then click on Citation to get the citation for your Works Cited list. As with many automatic citation assistants, you'll want to double check the format to make sure it's correct before turning it in. So that is how to search using the ProQuest eLibrary Science database. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and please stop by the library and ask for Mrs. Littell or Mrs. Gregg if you need more help.